band together, uniting for a common cause. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, band together. This is a common expression in English, used to describe a situation where people unite or come together for a shared purpose or goal. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, band together, is a verb phrase that means joining forces or uniting in a group for a common cause or purpose. It's often used in situations where cooperation and teamwork are necessary to achieve a goal. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from informal gatherings to formal alliances. Examples: the community banded together to clean up the park. Employees banded together to ask for better working conditions. The origin of band together comes from the idea of forming a band or group. Historically, it referred to people forming groups for mutual protection or support. In modern usage, it's more about collaboration and teamwork. It's important to note that band together implies a voluntary and collaborative effort. It's not just about being in a group, but actively working together towards a shared objective. Let's look at how band together can be used in different scenarios. 1. Social causes. Residents banded together to create a community garden. 2. Workplace. The team banded together to meet the project deadline. 3. Crisis situations. During the crisis, people banded together to help those in need. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Here are some similar phrases: unite, join forces, collaborate, team up, work together. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of band together. It's a powerful phrase that emphasizes unity, cooperation, and collective effort. Try using it in your conversations to describe situations where people come together for a common goal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned.